What is up, guys? It's Ben with Kame Trick, and this channel, if you're new here, is about grassroots drifting. So I'm just a normal guy with a normal budget who is sustainably enjoying drifting cars at the grassroots level. If that's something you're into, please consider subscribing. Today though, I'm going to be working on my daily driver over here, which is my 1989 Honda Civic SI. And there are a couple of things to do. First up is an oil change. And then I'll probably freshen up the bay a little bit. First we'll just loosen this. And then catch the fluid. While the oil drains, I'm going to see if I can clean up the engine a little bit. It's pretty dusty in here. There we go. Now we've got everything looking pretty decent. There's the oil pan done. Next up, we'll change the oil filters out. And the new filter goes on. So I've got some pretty cool news coming up for the channel. Probably not gonna give any huge spoilers away this video, but look forward to the next one because I got some pretty big announcements coming up. Now I don't want to give anything away, but it's gonna be a pretty cool change in what I'm able to do. Give you a hint, it's got 4 wheels, and it's new. Well, you know me, not brand new, but new to me. I'm very excited to share with you guys what it is. So, don't miss my next video, where I will be introducing a new member of the Kame Trick family. And this will wrap it up. You know, there's just something therapeutic about working on your car. Just good old-fashioned classic maintenance. Now once I polish this off, I actually have one last surprise for you guys. I got something in the mail recently from way across the pond from Japan, and I am excited to open that up and see what it is. Let's check it out. Alright, now this is a package from Oita Prefecture. And Oita is a prefecture way off on the west side of Japan in Kyushu. I won't reveal the location of either of our secret bat caves, but it's got this pretty cool Japanese postal stamp, so that's not something you see every day. Let's see what my good buddy Dustin from eXite Video Magazine has sent us. If you remember my old KBD body kit video, you might recall this King of Pocket Knives steel pocket knife that I like to use to open things. But wow, this is really taped up pretty good. You guys know my philosophy on unboxing. I like to keep it as brief as possible. All right, that ought to do it. My gift from Dustin. Oh, look at that. That's pretty slick. So check this out. Isn't this cool? So we've got West Japan, which is going to be Kyushu in this case, racing. So Nishi Nippon. And then this is the kanji for Geki, which is like very energetic or very excited. And that goes with eXite, which is Dustin's channel. So if you've not checked it out, let me fill you in. So my buddy Dustin is living in Kyushu and he films Japan car culture. His editing is really good. He makes me look like a chump. I'll put a link to Dustin's channel up in the card here and check him out, give him a like. If you like car shows, unique Japanese cars and car reviews, or drifting, you'll probably find something to like on his channel, so give him a look. Thanks a lot, Dustin. I appreciate this. I'll definitely be repping this with my updated designs for next season. I can't wait to have this on the car. And what in the world am I doing now? What do you guys think? Got that blue racing stripe going onto the car. Those of you who guessed that I've got a windshield leak on the car, you guys are correct. Now I know there's a lot of different ways that people look at to fix windshield leaks, but for me, this is just what the doctor ordered. It suits the mix of effort that I put into my car stuff and also the materials that I have at hand. So please don't hate. The key point is not having any water flowing into the car while I'm driving. The leak itself is actually quite small and only impacts a tiny portion of the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire top area because if there's one little leak, it's probably getting ready to fail in a couple other spots as well. And I want to make sure that that doesn't happen for quite some time. Nice rounded edges for a smooth look. Honestly, this windshield is so old, it's the original windshield, that eventually it's just gonna need to be repaired, and this is gonna be a very good solution for what we're dealing with and for what this car is used for.
Action! Machine gun! Reload!
In theory, here's where it gets really messy. Nice, all up on the shirt. Classic, that's fucking professional right there. Oh, not on the shirt. Oh, no, a little bit. I was almost a legend. Oh well. Alright, that was a little wasteful, but it ought to do exactly what I need it to. Now we're just going to remove all that stuff. See how it turned out. Not too shabby. Actually, probably very shabby, but you know what? Oh shit, that's too long. And there you have it. Just get some water on this rag. Clean up any problem spots. And there we go. By treating my Civic like a bathtub, hopefully it doesn't become one. And that's it. Short update this, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.